Hello traders. So if you are going to get started with algo trading, one library you will come across is Talib. So today we are going to see how to install Talib in Ubuntu 20.04 system and get it working. So the prerequisite for this library is you should have Python 3 installed in your PC. The way you can check if Python 3 is installed is this command. Here I have Python 3 installed. If not, I'll share you a link in the description box and you can copy you can follow the methods to get started. Next, we'll run this command to get our libraries updated. Enter your system password, enter. Next, we'll be installing pip. So pip is a pipeline kind of structure that will pipeline kind of thing that will help you install Python libraries. Next, we will be installing virtual environment. It's always recommended to use virtual environment when you want to install libraries because that won't harm your system. To install virtual environment, you use this command. Here you will find that it says requirement already satisfied because the virtual environment is already installed in my PC. But for you, it will install a new virtual environment. In that, after installing the virtual environment, you will have to create a new virtual environment. Let me clear the screen first. And here we'll give any random names which we want for our virtual environment. For example, I am giving it dummy. So it says a virtual environment has been created. Next, we'll go into the virtual environment. We'll activate it using source virtual environment name bin activate. So you can see here we have activated the virtual environment and now we are into that. Next, we'll have to download the Talib tar. Don't worry about the commands, I will be pasting them in the description box for your reference. After downloading, we'll extract the tar. Extract the tar. Next, we'll enter the Talib folder. So some essentials must be built. So that's sudo. So here it's telling me that it's already to the newest version. If not, it will build essentials for your PC according to your PC. Next, we'll configure. sudo make. We will install the make. Here I'll clear it. Now we'll upgrade all the packages and libraries in a PC. Using sudo apt update. Usually the time taken for this will vary. For me, it will take a couple of minutes. For you, it might take them longer. So I had paused the video to cut short this video length. And here you can see that it has been 97% completed and it will be completing in time here. Let's wait. So it has been completed. Next, to install Talib, we will use this command. Install that. So here we have installed Talib successfully. Here you can see the acknowledgement from the OS. And if you face any queries, do let me know. I'll help you resolve them. Yeah, thank you.